flipping bored right now. By the way, this is our very first webcast, so we just want to say, hey, what up, deuces.
Already? Why are we leaving already? That doesn't really make sense.
You know what I mean.
Yeah, just
You're Mina, you know what I mean.
see, you're yelling. You can't yell at them.
Hi. What up? I see you.
No, you don't.
Noogie! Mess my Hollywood hair. Well, we live in Springfield, Illinois. We ballin', we beast. You know what? Beast Grant Middle School. Okay, come on. Get in. Get in.
Touch me.
Okay. Y'all want to see us fight?
Wait.
Take our shoes off. Wait, hold on. Y'all ready for this? We beast. Beastin'. We. Get up here. Come on, if we're gonna fight, we have to fight. Come on, go. Come on.
Come on.
You're not me and me to play fighting. Well, we gotta get going. We're gonna make another one.
Look, a fan. Look, right there.
Okay, well, we are bored, so we gotta go. Bye. Oh, bye.